Hello
Hello
everyone.
everyone.
Today, I would like to explain in a Korean series that titled Perfect Crown. Perfect Crown is a Korean romantic drama series that combines romance, politics, family conflict, and royal life in a modern era. The story takes place in South Korea, but in this series, Korea still use a constitutional monarchy system. That means the country still has a royal family even in modern times. The main female character is Seong Hee-ju. She is known as a smart, confident, and ambitious woman. She comes from a wealthy and influential family, but she still faces many challenges in society. The main male character is Prince Ian. He is a member of the royal family who must follow strict traditional and royal responsibilities. Although he look calm and elegant, he actually feel pressure by his role as a prince. At the beginning of the story, Hiju and Prince Ian become connected because of political and family interests. Their relationship does not start with love. Instead, it starts as a strategical relationship that benefit both sides. However, as they spend more time together, they slowly begin to understand each other. Eventually, really feels start to grow between them. One of the most interesting part of this series is the conflict between love and social status. Even even though Hiju is rich and successful, many people inside the palace still think she is not suitable to become part of the royal family. Because of this, she often receives critics and unfair treatment. Prince Ian also face a difficulty situation. He must choose between his personal happiness and his duty to the royal family. This makes the story emotional and dramatic. Beside romance, the series also show political struggles inside the palace. There are many characters who try to gain power and influence. Some character support Hiju and Prince Ian, while others try to spare them. This creates tension and makes the audience curious about what will happen next. Other interesting things about Perfect Crown is in visual quality. The cinematography is very beautiful and elegant. The palace scenes look luxurious, modern, and artistic. The costumes worn by the royal family are also very stylish. The series successful combine traditional royal culture with modern fashion. The soundtrack also play an important role in the drama. The songs are emotional and perfectly match the romantic and dramatic series scans. Because of the music, many scenes feel deeper and more touching. Uh, I also think that actor actor and actress perform their role very well. Uh, their acting makes character feel realistic and emotional. The chemistry between Hiju and Prince Ian is one of the main reasons why many people enjoy this series. In my opinion, Perfect Crown is more than just a romantic drama. It also teach viewers about courage, uh, sacrifice, responsibility, and sociality inequality. The series shows that love should not be judged because beside on social status or family background. It also teach teach us that uh, every person has a right to pursue happiness. Overall, I really enjoy watching Perfect Crown because the story is emotional, exciting, and meaningful. I would recommend this series to people who enjoy romance, royal drama, and political conflict stories. Thank you for listening, and I hope you become interest in watching Perfect Crown.
Today I would like to present a short summary of the famous television series. The name is Breaking Bad. Breaking Bad is an American crime drama series created by Vincent Gilligan. The series was first released in 2008, become one of the most successful TV show in the world. It tells the story of a chemistry teacher who slowly transforms into a dangerous criminal. The main character is Walter White, a high school chemistry teacher who lives in Albuquerque, New Mexico. At the beginning of the story, Walter lived a simple and difficult life, but he struggled financially and worked two jobs to support his family. One day, he is diagnosed with a lung cancer. Because he worries about his family's future and medical expense, he decides to make illegal drugs to earn money quickly. But Walter then works together with his farmer. The student name is Jesse Pinkman. Jesse is involved in the drug world, but he is inexperienced and emotional. Together, they produce and sell a very pure form of the methamphetamine. Their product become famous in the criminal world because of his high quality. As the story continues, Walter changes dramatically. At the first, he only wants money for his family. However, over time, he becomes more greedy, proud, and power hungry. He creates a new identity called Heisenberg, which becomes feared by many of criminals in the world. Walters began lying to his wife, friends, and even his own family. His discussion caused danger and the suffering to many people around him. Another important character is Skylar White, Walter's wife. At the first, she doesn't know about Walter's illegal activity, but later she discovers the truth and becomes trapped in the problem caused by Walter's crime. There is also Hank Schrader. Hank Schrader is Walter's brother-in-law who works as a DAI agent. Hank spends much of the series trying to find who the mystery drunk producer named by Heisenberg, without realize that the criminal is actually Walter himself. They creates tension and suspense throughout the story. Breaking Bad is famous because of its strong storyline, emotional scenes, and character development. The series shows how a normal person can slowly become corrupted by power, money, desperation. It also explores themes such as family, morality, crime, and consequence. The acting in the series is highly priced. Exactly the performance of Brian Carlton as Walter White and Aaron Paul as Jesse Pinkman. Their performance made the character feel like realistic and emotional. Breaking Bad received many awards and and is often considered one of the greatest television series of all time. Many viewers enjoy the suspense, alert twists, and emotional moment in the story. In calculation, Breaking Bad is more than just a crime series. It is a story about choice, ambition, and the consequence of human action. The transformation of Walter, which from a simple teacher into a feared criminal, makes the series unforgettable and very interesting to watch. Thank you for listening our presentation about a review movie or serial. Hope enjoy and thank you.
Today I would like to review a horror movie, Kill Annabelle. This movie is a supernatural horror film that became very popular because of its creepy story and terrifying atmosphere. Many people know this movie because of the scary doll name, Annabelle, which became one of the most iconic horror characters. The movie tells the story of a young married couple named John and Mia Form. They are expecting their first baby and living a peaceful life together. John knows that Mia loves collecting dolls, so he gives her a rare doll named Annabelle as a gift. At first, Mia feels very happy because the doll looks unique and beautiful. However, the doll has a strange and unsettling appearance. One night, their life suddenly changes after a group of dangerous cult members attacks their house. After this terrifying incident, many strange things began to happen. Mia hears mysterious sounds at night, doors opened by themselves, and objects move without anyone touching them. She slowly feels that something evil is inside their home. As the story continues, the paranormal events become more frightening. Um, Mia often sees dark figure and experience supernatural disturbance that threaten her safety. She starts believing that the Annabelle doll is connected to an evil spirit. The terror becomes even worse after her baby is born because the spirit seems interested in her child. John tries his best to protect Mia, their baby, but the evil presence becomes stronger every day. They finally ask for help from other people who understand supernatural events. Together, they try to discover the truth behind the Annabelle doll and stop the terrifying spirit before something terrible happens to the family. What makes the movie very interesting is its atmosphere. The director successfully creates fear tropes like lighting, silence, creepy background music, and sudden jump scare. Even simple skin can make the audience nervous because viewers never know when something scary will happen. I also like the camera angle used in the movie. The camera often focus on empty rooms, dark hallways, and the Annabelle doll itself. The creators tension and make the audience feel uncomfortable. Always really on lot scary moment because sometimes the silence is what make the skin more frightening. Uh, the actor who